5 happy ducklings by the lake wiggle their tails when they wake, splashing softly 1, 2, 3, playing happy, wild and free. Quack, quack, splash all day, come and laugh and join our play. Flap your wings and swim along, nature sings a happy song.
One found shiny pebbles bright, 2 chased butterflies in flight, 3 picked flowers by the shore, smiling, laughing even more.
4 swam gently in a row, watching little fish below. 5 made bubbles in the stream, everything was like a dream.
Mama Duck called with a smile, come together for a while. Tiny ducklings hurried near, safe with Mama, full of cheer.
Quack, quack, clap your wings, hear the joyful song life brings. Dance together, happy and free, best of friends will always be. Rainbow shining overhead, blue sky stretched so far ahead. Ladybugs and dragonflies fill the day with sweet surprise.
Picnic time beside the lake, yummy fruit and tiny cake. Friends all gather, laugh and play, sharing smiles throughout the day.
Golden sunset lights the sky, little birds are flying by. Ducklings wave a soft good night, everything feels warm and bright.
Moon and stars begin to glow, gentle breezes softly blow. Mama Duck keeps watch nearby, dreaming underneath the sky.
Quack, quack, hip hooray, we'll splash together every day. 5 happy ducklings full of cheer, sharing love throughout the year. Good night, ducklings, sleep so tight, under stars so big and bright. When the morning sun shines through, more adventure